All right, this topic is something that's probably going to get me a little bit of hate mail, particularly for people who are wanting to sell you something and I'm telling you that you shouldn't buy from them. This topic is why you shouldn't buy Twitch followers. If you have spent any amount of time on Twitch as a streamer, you have probably received a random message from somebody who has said you can buy Twitch followers. If you type in Twitch followers, you are going to find someone trying to sell you Twitch followers. You'll probably find this on virtually every sort of social media, how to buy followers, social media. Because people out there want followers, they want recognition, they want high numbers. There's a lot of reasons why people want them. I am here today to tell you why you should not buy Twitch followers. All right, let's get into this. The thing about followers, here's why followers are a big deal on Twitch, okay? Here's why followers are a big deal on Twitch. Followers are people who are going to get your going live notifications from Twitch. If they have push notifications on their phone, they're going to see that you're live. If they're on the app already, they may get a notification that you have gone live. Followers are people who could potentially come to your stream. The more people who have followed your stream, the more people are going to get these notifications. The more people may come to your stream if they consider you an interesting individual they want to check out. Secondly, followers are people who, when they log onto the platform, have the list of the people that they follow on their sidebar and see who's live. They're going to see you there, so they're going to be able to come and visit your stream from that. That's what followers do. That's why followers are good. Higher number equals more people that can come to these things. The problem with buying followers are these are fake. So if you buy followers, and Sammy Joe 489 is one of these people who is one of these bot followers. Sammy Joe 849 does not exist. The account might get the push notification that you've gone live, but they don't exist. They are a random account created that some person has sold. There is no real person behind this account. They will never log into Twitch to check out content because they aren't a person. They might get your going live notification, but it will never, ever, ever translate to a view. This person will never check you out because they're not real. They will never log into Twitch and see you on the sidebar and choose to check you out. So the two things that following someone does for you will not ever benefit you from buying these followers. If you buy 5,000 people, that's 5,000 shouts out into the void that will never ever translate to anything. All it will do is make you feel like you have a big number and are more successful, but it will never give you any of the benefits that that big number should actually give you. So what's the point? What's the value? Why do people do this? For high-level creators who are looking to monetize their content, people who are trying to turn streaming on Twitch into a career, in addition to just getting subscribers and getting bits and potentially getting people giving direct donations, there's the ability to make brand deals. And that's really where like a high follower number comes in on Twitch. If you are approaching a brand, or if you are having an agency that represents you approach a brand, we're saying, I'm a successful creator, I have X number of followers, I have X number of subscribers, I have X number of average viewers, I have so many unique views over the course of a stream, I have so many of this metric and this metric and this metric and this metric and this metric. You should totally do a deal with me and I will give you value in the process and you give me money, which I consider valuable in the process. This is where like high followers and high of those other numbers that I randomly spit out there are valuable. But the problem comes if you have one of these numbers being very high without all the other numbers that you would expect to also come along with them, it becomes immediately apparent to anyone within the industry that you would be looking to do a brand deal with that you are fake, that you are full of bleep, that you are not someone to be taken seriously. If you go and buy 10,000 Twitch followers and then you go and try and say, I've got 10,000 followers on Twitch, someone's going to look into you and go, You have 10,000 followers on Twitch, but you have 5 average viewers. You're either a failed streamer or you're someone who's propped up their numbers. Either way, we don't want to work with you. No thank you. Please stop emailing us. So yeah, that's what followers really are. A sign of how many people you can convert over to viewers of your content. Having this high number won't do anything for you. So other than maybe unlocking a very tiny feature that is very easy to unlock on this platform, you won't gain any benefit from it. Don't do it. Don't waste your money. It will not help you at all. All it's going to do is make you appear fake to anyone in the know and do nothing. You're just going to throw your money out there. If getting to that high number makes you feel like you've justified something, you've just cheated to it, and it's going to have no value for you anyways. So please, do not buy Twitch followers. It won't help you. You aren't going to get any sort of gain. None. Don't do it, please. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like this sort of content, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, maybe tell somebody about it, and share it. That would be super helpful. If you're looking for another video regarding concepts regarding streaming, why don't you check out this video over here where I talk about why Twitch emotes take a very long time to get approved. It's not that Twitch hates you. There's a better reason than that. Go check it out or enjoy another video. Thanks for watching.